Miss Kinga Stanzik, who is a student from Poland.
Yes, please.
How did the promised Messiah come to know that he was the promised one?
By Allah. It was never a thought which grew from his heart that perhaps he is promised Messiah until he was told by God that he was. He never claimed. In the beginning, on the contrary, although he was told, addressed by God as Messiah and the promised Messiah, out of his humility, he always tried to interpret it differently. But when repeatedly Allah told him that you are the promised Messiah, then he had no way out but to accept it and declare himself to be that prophet of God who was promised to be the Messiah.